Indicated heavy rain is falling. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Warren County, western Greene County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Corwin, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Xenia. In addition, Mount Holly, Roxana, Spring Valley, New Jasper, and Wilberforce are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.